Those living in Islamabad don't have to look far and wide for picnic spots and tourist sites, as the entire city is dotted with picturesque parks and stunning monuments. The Lakeview Park, one of such many recreational spots that draw a large number of visitors throughout the year. अगर आप एडवेंचर सीकर हैं, साइटसीइंग लवर हैं, या फिर you plan to spend some relaxing time with your family, एक hectic week के बाद, then you're bound to find something to your liking at the Lakeview Park.
In Lakeview Park, it's not just about the lake. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे activities हैं. In front of me, there's so many boats, and I really want to go for a ride. Let's go.
One thing that I love about such places is the pleasant ambience. This state is perfect for this place if you have to visit with your family or friends. I love boat rides. वैसे भी, for me, sailing on the water is a spiritual experience. मैं life को भी ऐसे ही experience करती हूँ. Just like water, always going with the flow. I just embrace whatever comes my way. ये वाली boat ride is the best boat ride I've ever had.
As you can see, food stalls everywhere, and people are having picnics. मेरा दिल भी करता है कि मैं भी कुछ खा लूँ. I'll find something.
These are the moments that you should actually cherish in your life. If I have to be honest, जितनी प्यारी जगह होती है, food भी उस जगह का उतना ही tasty होता है. I miss my family. My parents are very fond of such happening places. Ice cream, vanilla. Indeed, a great spot to unwind and relax after a long, tiring week.
माहौल बहुत अच्छा है, and I see people over there dancing. They seem to have fun. I also want to join them. अस्सलामुअलैकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
आप तो माशाल्लाह ग्रेट डांसर हैं। तो आप कहाँ से हैं?
हम कोयटा बलूचिस्तान से।
अच्छा, तो अभी आप डांस कर रहे थे, वो कौन सा ट्रेडिशनल डांस है?
ये पश्तूनों का एक सकाफत भी है। शादी के वक्त ये
शादी के वक्त
करना चाहिए।
वाओ, बहुत अच्छा किया। व्हाट अ टैलेंट। ओके।
और भाजी आप कहाँ से?
मैं तो चाइना से हूँ।
आप तो चाइना से? माशाल्लाह।
जी, मैं तो चीनी हूँ। शक्ल है चीनी, लेकिन दिल है पाकिस्तानी।
आपने उर्दू कहाँ से सीखा है?
दोस्तों ने मुझे सिखाया।
माशाल्लाह।
एक मजे की बात ये है कि in almost every corner of this park, people are taking pictures. I think it's because this park is so lovely and it's a great spot for pictures.
They have the largest birds aviary here too. Let's go and explore the biggest bird aviary of Pakistan.
Oh, there are more than 7,000 birds, over 400 species. It's amazing! I cannot wait to find out. चलते?
यहाँ पर आपको वो birds भी देखने को मिलेंगे जो आपको usually नहीं देखते।
Wow, this is so huge! And so many species, flamingos! They're so pretty!
Different species of birds, all colorful. This is really amazing. One of the most amazing bird cages I've ever seen.
Hello!
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I am Anusha Yasin.
Anusha. So do you like this bird park?
Yes, very much. I am enjoying a lot the birds' voice and yes.
That's nice.
Yes.
So आप किसके साथ आई?
I'm with family. With family.
Family किधर है?
They are family.
Assalamualaikum. So I think you run out of food. Let me give
Yeah.
you some. So let's feed them together.
Yes.
ये लो. और ले लो. Do you like peacocks?
Yes, I am really like peacocks
Why do you like peacocks?
because their colors and their wings.
ये लो.
Yes.
आते
Yes, at weekend.
On weekend.
Yes, on weekends.
Spend a good time over here, na?
Yes.
That's good. So you also had a good time today?
Yes, a lot. I really enjoy.
Okay, so have fun. Really nice.
Yes. Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.
कुछ डिफरेंट और कुछ खास है इन बर्ड्स के बारे में। Mysterious creatures. इन बर्ड्स को खाना खिलाना is so peaceful. Cutie. आपको पता है चाइनीज में हम बर्ड्स को क्या कहते हैं? Niao. Shimmery and shiny. कहते हैं the bird who dares to fall is the bird who learns to fly. अगर हम अपने लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस पर रिफ्लेक्ट करें तो the birds actually teach us to never give up. We fall, we rise and we learn. I wish to spend just one day as a bird. I wish I had wings just like birds so that I can fly. Wow, that was quite a jump. Such colorful and vibrant lot of birds. Magnificent.
I enjoyed so much. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Because this place is also very peaceful. And a lot of greenery. The view is amazing. And definitely it reminds me of the time when I was in China and I was going to amusement parks with my family. It reminds me of home.
क्या आप लोगों को मजा आया? ये तो एक छोटी सी झलक थी। And here comes my favorite part, jewelry. Look at these bags, so shiny and radiant. Cotton candy. ये तो मेरी आउटफिट से भी मैच हो रही है. This used to be my favorite snack बचपन में and it still is. Look at these beautiful hats. Bubbles. यहाँ पर सब कुछ काफी glittery है.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
आपका दुकान में तो बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं, वेस्टर्न का भी है मास्क और ये इधर ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ें भी है। तो क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि इधर ज़्यादा लोकल्स आते हैं या बाहर से लोग आते हैं?
लोकल्स ही होते हैं, बाहर से ज़्यादा आते हैं। बाहर के यूके और कराची से आते हैं बाहर से।
Wow, that's great. तो फिर I'll check out more things that you have in your shop.
These lockets are really cute. There's so much to be explored. यह भी एक साइड है Lakeview Park की that seems to be quite adventurous. Guys, बहुत funny सी बात है, लेकिन I look like someone from Charlie's Angels. Lucy Liu to be exact. I'm actually fond of such ATVs. the Layla Carnivore Park. Ah, the lovely Ferris wheel. Everything that I have encountered here in Pakistan, it makes me feel more connected to this beautiful country. क्योंकि आप लोगों को तो पता ही है कि मेरा दिल है पाकिस्तानी. What a lovely view! Great to see the park from the bird's eye view. I have been on several Ferris wheels in China, but this one particularly rotates very fast. Now, this looks scary, guys. There's so much to be explored. The super train looks super crazy. Let's hop in. I've never had so much fun before.
It was a crazy ride and the speed was faster than what I expected. और मजे की बात ये है कि वो मेरे पीछे बैठे हैं and throughout the ride they were calling Ami ji, Ami ji. So how was the experience?
It was a great ride, better than we expected. Timmy, did you like it? What?
Why? You know
How can you not like it? We all loved it.
Are you
Mima, did you
scared?
like it?
Are you scared?
He
It
was
was
scared.
not scary?
He was scared. You had your head down. You had your head down like that.
Or so how do you guys like the Lakeview Park?
Really nice, really nice. We've come to Islamabad the first time after quite a few years now.
Oh,
we loved
that's
it.
amazing. So where are you guys living?
Manchester, UK.